this is the unboxing video of GoPro Hero 12 Black, and this is the special bundle. This is bought through Amazon as a part of its Amazon Great India Festival sale, and this cost me around 45,000 rupees, 44,990 to be precise. The MRP mentioned on this is 53,800, and I'll be unboxing this and I'll show you if this is actually worth purchasing over the normal standard GoPro without the accessory, the special bundle. So what this bundle includes, first of all, is the case. As you can see, it's in a case. This is the case that's included. The second thing it includes is a handle. I'll show you that later in the video. There's also a head strap as well as 2 extra batteries. So I'll be unboxing it now. As you can see, this is the case with the GoPro branding over here. It's a sturdy, hard case, and there's a zipper here. Okay, so this is a manual, instruction bag basically. This is the GoPro camera, the main unit. I'll keep it aside. This, I suppose, is the head strap. Okay. This is how it looks like, the head strap. This is the handle I was talking about. This is where you can mount your GoPro and increase the stability even further. Then there's another mount. As you can see, there's a mount included in this. This is another mount that possibly you can use for your helmets, and there's a 3M tape here. You can stick it on your helmet, mount this on, and then put your GoPro over here. The 2 extra batteries, these are the 2 extra batteries, and if I show you what else is in here, it includes 2 screws to tighten the mounts, and there's also a USB A to C cable for the charging. Furthermore, there's some manuals here. These are on the top, and this is how the case looks like. So you can store your camera over here, and the extra mounts in this small pack. The handle goes here at the bottom, and the head strap was kept here. So even if you remove these paper separations, these things, then this is how the case looks like. It's pretty sturdy. It's a hard case, and it's good to go. What I feel is this bundle is definitely worth the upgrade if you purchase this as a part of a sale that's live on Amazon as well as Flipkart. Then this is particularly a very good deal, considering that for 45,000 you were only getting the GoPro camera, but now you're getting a few accessories. As everyone knows that GoPro's battery life has not been very great. It doesn't boast a very great battery life. So 2 extra batteries come very handy. You can charge them, keep them on the go, and you can switch them whenever you're on the go. Whenever the battery drains out, you can put these in and continue to shoot your videos.